Hey everybody, today I'd like to teach you how to do hopscotch, and we're going to start by making a hopscotch setup. If you don't have one at your house, I'm going to use some sidewalk paint. You could use any kind of chalk that you have for this. The first thing that we're going to do is make a square, and I'm just going to use my paint here and make a nice sized square. You want to make it big enough so that you can fit in it with your foot here as you start hopping. And this first square is going to get a number 1. Then we're going to make another square about the same size. And I'm just trying to not really use this paint before, but we're giving it a try. Should be kind of fun. There's 2. So I've got my my hopscotch set up, and I'm going to let this dry for a second, and then I'll come back and show you how we do it. Okay, now our hopscotch pattern is dried, and I'm going to show you how to use it. We do several levels of it so that you can make it a little bit more challenging each time. The first level, in all of the single squares, I'm going to use my dominant foot, which for me is my right leg. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I would step out. Level 2 would be the same thing, but now I'm going to use my dominant foot, or non-dominant foot, which for me is my left foot, as I go through the single squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I would step out. Level 3 would be, for me, doing a turn in number 10. And so I'm going to use my dominant foot again, but I have to turn and come all the way back without missing. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I have to do a jump turn. Now I have to come back, again using my dominant foot, which is my right. So I go 9, 7, 8, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, done. And I think I messed up on counting. I should have said 5, 4, because on the way back, we're supposed to count backward. Now, level 4 would be to use my non-dominant foot, my left foot, and do the same thing. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch it. Now I'm going to see if I can count backwards and use my non-dominant foot in the square. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that's 4 levels, and I want to show you how to play. Sometimes we use a wood chip or a stone. I'm just going to use a piece of wood, and this is how you'd play if you were going to go on to levels beyond level 4. So I throw my wood chip into that first square, and I'm going to hop over that square on the way out, and then I'm going to pick it up on the way back. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch. Now again, dominant foot, so I'm going to go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up, 1, and then the next time I would throw it in level 2. Now if we were playing with people and I threw it and it went out of my square, I'd have to go to the back of my line and wait until it was my turn again, and then I have to try to get it to stay in that 2, and what I would do is skip that square. So if I was going dominant foot, I would go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, and then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, pick it up, 2, 1, and you could keep trying to toss it into progressively higher numbers. The other thing you could do is stipulate in the rules that you always come back with your non-dominant foot. I hope everybody has a chance to make a hopscotch pattern somewhere and give this a try. It's a great way to work on single leg strength, balance, and what I call landing mechanics. How well you land and control your body as you come down to the ground. Have fun, everyone.